Hello students. Today we discuss mensuration in other example. Here example, find the area and perimeter of a square with sides of length 12 inch. Now here solution. Here given square. Now square A, B, C and D. Length of square is a 12 inch. Similarly, BC is 12 inch, CD 12 and DA 12 inch. Here ABCD is a square. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, that is 12 inch. Now first find the area of ABCD. Area of square is a AB multiple CD, AB multiple BC. So value of AB is a 12 inch, value of BC is a 12 inch. So area of ABCD is a 12 multiple 12, 144 inch square. Now second find perimeter. So perimeter of ABCD is equal to perimeter as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now put the value AB 12, BC 12, CD 12, DA 12. So here 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Now addition 12 plus 12 plus 12, 12, 12, 14 and 44, 12, 12, 24, 24, 24, 48 inch. This is our answer. Now second example. Find the area and perimeter of a rectangular with its height 9 cm and base 16 cm. પાયો 16 cm નો આપેલો છે અને ઊંચાઈ તમને 9 cm ની આપેલી છે. Here given rectangular ABCD base of AB that is 16 cm. Similarly opposite side 16 cm. So height of BC 9 cm. Similarly opposite side 9 cm. Now here ABCD is a rectangle એટલે લંબચોરસ આપેલો છે. હવે લંબચોરસ નો એરિયા રેક્ટેંગલ નો એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરવો છે. નાઉ હિયર rectangle, so AB is equal to opposite side CD, then 16 cm, and BC is the opposite side DA is a 9 cm. Now area of ABCD area of ABCD. ABCD is a rectangular. So AB base multiple height. Now base is 16, height is 9. Base AB, height BC. 16 multiple 9, that is area of rectangle. 16 9 144 centimeter square. Now again find perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Perimeter similarly square AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now value of AB 16, value of BC 9, value of CD 16, and value of DA 9. 16 plus 9 25, and 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 25, that is 15 centimeter as a perimeter. Now again example, find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Height is 8 unit and base is 14 units. Similarly, example number 2. Here solution. Here given A, B, C and D. Now base is 14 centimeter, 14 units. Then opposite side is a 14. Height BC is a 8. Then opposite side is a 8. Simple example. Now here ABCD is a rectangle. So AB is opposite side CD is equal to 14 units, and BC is opposite side DA is equal to 8 units. Now first find area of rectangle. So area of ABCD rectangle is equal to base multiple height. So here base is a AB and height is a BC. So base AB multiple height BC. Now value of AB 14, value of BC 8. So 14 multiple 8. Now multiple this, that is your area. 112 unit centimeter, meter, feet square, and inch square. Now area and perimeter. So second find perimeter. Now here perimeter of ABCD. Perimeter of ABCD, then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now value of AB 14, value of BC 8, similarly value of CD 14 and value of B 8. Simple. Multiple, that is 44 unit. This is our perimeter. Now fourth example, find the area and perimeter of a square. Side are 18 feet. So example number 1, similarly example first and fourth બંને સેમ છે, 2 and 3 બંને સેમ. Here given square. So here given ABCD square. A, B, C and D. Length of sides then 18 feet. So here 18 feet, 18 feet and here ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square, then all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. BC, CD and DA, and its sides value is 18 feet. Now find area of square. Area of square, ABCD. AB multiple BC, otherwise AB square, because AB is equal to BC. AB multiple BC. So value of AB is 18 and value of BC is 18. 18 multiple 18, 324 is the area of ABCD. Its square. Okay. Now find perimeter of ABCD. Perimeter of ABCD. So perimeter is all sides addition. So AB plus BC plus CD plus TA. Now value of AB 18 plus 18 plus 18 and plus 18. Now 18 plus 18 plus 18 more time, then 72 feet. Here our answer, perimeter of ABCD. Now example number 5. If the area of square is a 81 feet square, then find its perimeter. Here given area of square is 81 feet square. So A is equal to 81 feet square. Now formula of square area is a, like side is L, then L square is a 81. So L square is a 9 square, then L is a 9 feet. The side of square is a 9 feet. So find the perimeter. Perimeter is a P is equal to 4 multiple, because area a square side is are all equal. 4L, otherwise L plus L plus L plus L. Now 4 multiple L, 9, 9 4 ja 36 feet. Then perimeter is a 36 feet. So set number A is over. Now set number B, example number 1. If the perimeter of a square is 24 inch, find the area. Now here solution. Perimeter of a square. Given perimeter of a square is equal to 24 inch. We know that perimeter of a square P is equal to 4 L. So given value P is a 24. So 4L is equal to 24. Then L is equal to 24 by 4. So L is equal to 6 inch. 4 6 ja 24. Now find the area of a square. Area of a square is equal to square area मतलब L multiple L, so L square. Now value of L is equal to 6, so 6 square. So A is equal to 36 inch square. This is your answer. Now second example, the perimeter of a rectangular. So here given perimeter of a rectangular is equal to 32. But we know that perimeter of a rectangle P is equal to 2 brackets my L plus B, base plus height. So given value 32, so 2 L plus B is equal to 32. Now L plus B is equal to 32 by 2, that is 16. So L plus B is equal to 16. Now L is a greater than B. Length એ હાઈટ કરતા મોટી હોય તો એ સંજોગોની અંદર એવામાં then possible answer L plus 16, then 10 plus 6, first 9 plus 7, then here 10 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 13 plus 3, 14 plus 2 and 15 plus 2. This is your possible answer. Example number 3. Draw the different rectangles that have an area of 19 mm square. Here given rectangles and given area. So area of rectangle is equal to 19 mm square. Now we know that area of rectangle is equal to L multiple B. Here given A is equal to 19 mm square. So L multiple B is equal to 19 mm square. So our possible answer, L greater than B, then L multiple B. 19 जवाब आवे केवा, 19 आंसर आवे केवा, 9 multiple 10 is 19, second 3 multiple 30, 5 multiple 18, so here our possible answer is. Now example number 5, find the perimeter and area of a rectangle, size 17 inch and 21 inch. First we find perimeter. P is equal to given rectangle, then perimeter P is equal to 2L plus B. Here given L is equal to 21 inch, 17 inch and B is equal to 21 inch. So P is equal to 2 brackets માં 17 plus 21. So P is equal to 2, 7, 8, 2, 1, 3, 38. Then perimeter of multiple 2 multiple 76 inch. Now area. Area is a L multiple B. Here given L 17 and 21. Then 17 multiple 21. So area of rectangle is a 17 multiple 21. 0, 1, 2, 7, 7 to the 7, 5 and 357 inch. Then so answer is